Hello and welcome to this GDSLABv2024 tutorial 5.4.4 running a dynamic cyclic TTA. This test applies cyclic dynamic forces on a material to observe its behaviour under repeated loads. The system primarily operates in a synchronised mode where the vertical and horizontal axes mirror each other during the test. So first you need to go to your test setup and you need to make sure that your test module list dynamic cyclic loading is selected. So once you've selected that, then you should see a screen like this. Now in your axle control, you've got options between synchronized axle displacement and synchronized axle load. And then in your synchronized horizontal control, you can do horizontal displacement and horizontal load as well. Then you have optional sliders that control the back pressure and cell pressure, but you can also do back volume and cell volume. But again, I won't be using these, so I can turn these off, but you do have halt and constant and ramp as your modes as well, but again, I'm not going to be using these. And then the interesting thing this time around is your dynamic control. This is the thing that unlocks, and you can see here I've got my frequency set to 1, my total cycle set to 10, and my points per cycle set to 100, but you can choose from other numbers here from this selection. So this is my test, this is what I will be running. I've got my datum at 2, my amplitude at 0.5, and a phase angle of 0. Again, the phase angle is where you would start that wave off. Then on my horizontal control, I've got my datum of 1, amplitude of 0.25, and again, the phase angle at 0. So like most tests we do, you have this when stage ends termination condition, and you can choose between go to next stage automatically or wait for user interaction. So once you're happy, you can go ahead and click apply, and then you can go to the test. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. This has been running a dynamic cyclic TTA. Thank you.